Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy, and we are out today over in the Douglasville area taking a look at this chimney. And it's kind of hard to see it in the video, but this is old grained and beaded LP siding, and it's not available anymore. Hardy Plank, which is what we use, James Hardy Plank siding, they no longer make this siding, so we literally have to make our own replacement siding to do this chimney. So it has the expense a little bit. You can see when you get a little bit closer on it. So we talk about grain and beaded siding. It looks like it's got a wood grain to it, and it's got this little bevel right here that we call a bead. And this siding's been repaired before. Someone came in with a few pieces of masonite siding, and you can see where the woodpeckers got in here. But the corner board's on the right side of it. You can see the fungi growing out of it. So both of these corner boards right here need to be changed. The back corner boards will have to be changed. The left side is okay, but all the siding have to be replaced, and we literally will have to make this stuff ourselves. You can see the difference in the grain pattern here in this stuff versus the pieces higher up. This is all original stuff. This is stuff that was replaced, and you see what happens? See this? I can literally just pull it all apart with my finger. Part of this, when you're getting siding work done, make sure your contractors are painting the bottom edge of the siding. This stuff was just sprayed, and they just let it go. But we'll fix it. The good thing with the Hardy Plank stuff that we use, again, we have to actually take a Hardy Plank siding. They still make the grain siding, and we hand cut it down with a diamond tip blade. It's a very expensive blade to use, and on a job like this, we'll go through a couple of them. But we'll literally make all this siding, because otherwise it won't match the rest of it. So you want it to match, look good. It's about a 2-day job for us, but we pretty much do everything. We've got a team of 27, 28 guys. We do everything from siding repairs to handyman stuff, painting, electrical, plumbing, a lot of irrigation and drainage projects. We've been doing it for a long time. You can reach us at 770-265-9017. I'm Andy. See you at the next house. Bye for now.